Today, we're here in Tagaytay to feature this brand new modern home at 27 million pesos. I'm really excited to show you this one. Tara, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. Hi guys, if you have been looking for a 4-bedroom house here in Tagaytay na gusto nyo magkaroon ng vacation home or maybe an Airbnb property, well, baka ito ang gusto nyo. This property sits in a lot area of 245 square meters with a floor area of 360 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, a maid's room, a carport that can fit 2 cars, and napakaganda po ng loob na to. Tara, pasukin na natin. By the way, this property is located inside Pueblo del Sol 1 subdivision here in Tagaytay, Cavite. Tara, pasok tayo. As you can see, yung unahan natin, napakaganda ng frontage. The frontage is paved, very well designed. It's manicured po yung pagkakaayos. You have your planter's box on both sides. You can see that's already tiled yung walls natin. And you have this designed cement here sa unahan na it makes it very beautiful, and napakagandang ginamit po na materyales sa ating gate, stainless steel with your board here. So tara, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay. Okay, so as we enter, you'll be greeted by your foyer, napakaganda po niya, and then on your right side will be your 2 carport or 2-car garage, whatever you would like to call it. Dito po lang po sa ating car garage, you can see that naka-WPC po yung ceiling natin. LED lights, you have your fluted panels to give that accent, makes it a little bit more elegant looking. And then yung tiles po natin sa flooring, it's tiled, ang ganda pong tignan, very well thought of, well designed. You have more fluted panels here. It's really nicely done, and maganda po yung pagkaka-arrange ng lighting niya. Now, as we move a little bit further to this side of the house, medyo umuulan na. This is your lanai, which is an access going to the kitchen area. But all the way there at the back, that's leading to our service area. So dito sa lugar nito, you can put tables and chairs, you can put a sofa or an outdoor sofa, you can put a dining or an outdoor dining area so that you can entertain your guests. So it depends on what you plan to do. Rest house ba siya, vacation home? Siyempre, kung Airbnb property siya, dadamihan niyo yung mga upuan. So tara, explore natin yung likod. Now, all over the property, it's already semi-furnished. Ibig sabihin, the range hood, cooktop, kasama po siya. Meron din po siyang air conditioning na for all the bedrooms, and meron na rin po siyang ready water tank nandito. And as we move a little bit further, dito sa gilid natin, would be yung service area natin. So yung service area natin is already tiled. Meron na rin siyang roofing. You also have your tiles on the sink. Meron na tayong faucet, meron na tayong sink, tapos meron na tayong counter. And we also have CCTVs distributed all throughout the house. So on this side po, we also have your designated laundry area na nandito. And we have your landscape garden area wherein you can have your landscaping. So we're done with the outside, pasok naman tayo sa ground floor natin. So tara, pasok kayo. So as we enter, we'll be greeted by our super solid door here. Okay, I think this is made out of metal. And then, yung door natin is already digital. So hindi na nyo po kailangan bumili or hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-isip or maghanap kung saan kayo maghanap ng digital door lock. So it's already digital door locks, and it's a solid steel door. Sobrang kapal po niya. So this is actually, what's nice about this is fireproof. So as we enter the house, we'll be greeted by our living area. So for our living area, it's just very intimate, just a good size. Just enough size, because yung bahay na to, meron tayong 2 living area. Mamaya magugustuhan nyo, makikita nyo sa taas, is actually a living/entertainment area. But as we enter here, we'll be greeted by our fluted panels dito sa ceiling natin. And you have your cove lighting, you have your LED lights spread over, you have your floating cabinet, you have your accent here. Okay, itong ating accent ng mga panels dito, wood panel-ish. And then you have your beautiful tiles dito sa ground natin. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang ginamit po nilang tiles, it's not 60 by 60. I think it's 60 by 120. It's very nice. Please correct me if I'm wrong kasi medyo concern natin yan. And then yung mga windows na ginamit natin dito are PVC windows. So ang ganda po ng slide niya. Kanina, tinetesting ko na tinetesting siya. Now for our switches, ang ginamit po niya is semi-gloss po na semi-matte na mga blacks or dark gray switches. So as I move a little bit further, this is your dining area. For your dining area, and as an estimate, you can fit your 6 to 8 seater dining table depending on the size of the furnitures. Kung medyo manipis-nipis yan, kung dito yung ilalagay pahaba, siguro kasya po yung 10 seater. Now, right beside it would be your kitchen area or your show kitchen. Yung iba kung tawagin, show kitchen. You have your breakfast nook here, a center table wherein you can prepare, you can have your breakfast, you can sit down and eat here, meet or talk with the family. And then as you can see, all throughout the house, meron din tayong fluted panels na ceiling, ganda. LED lights. And then we also have your quartz countertop pala. Sorry na kalimutan magitin. You have quartz countertop, you have your cabinets down below, you have your very beautiful parang pinkish color po na cabinets, very nicely designed. You have your Lagermania, range hood, cooktop, and you have your oven and your microwave na Lagermania. It's actually included in the sale of the house. Ang hindi lang po kasama yung refrigerator natin. But as you can see, it's very well cabineted. Medyo marami po siyang cabinet. So it can really easily fit everything that you need. Now again, kanina na start ng video, we showed you the service area. So meron pa tayong extra space doon. So meron din tayo dito sa baba na storage area sa ilalim ng stairs. So as you can see, this is your storage area underneath the stairs. So it's very spacious. Actually, kasya ako. So you can put more racks here para you can fit it. Tapos nandito rin po yung ating power switch or power control panel natin. So let's go and explore yung first bedroom of the house, which is located in the ground floor. This is just rightly sized. You have your cabinet, you have your air conditioning. Again, fluted panels on the ceiling, cove ceiling. You have your tiles na pahaba. Hindi po siya yung regular. It's plank tiles. It's not wood planks. It's similar to the size of wood planks, pero it's plank tiles. Yun yung tawag nila dyan. Again, you have your PVC panels na windows. You have your Midea air conditioning. You have a full-size cabinet. So, if you have a lot of guests or if you have a senior citizen or somebody elderly staying here, kasyang-kasya po yung gamit niya, sobrang dami. And then you have your floating cabinets. And itong room na to has its own toilet and bath. It's a good-sized toilet and bath. Comes complete with your sink. You have your counter na quartz. You have your mirror. You also have your toilet, a bidet. You have your shower enclosure. You have your exhaust, and then meron din po tayong niche and shower dito sa ating toilet. Now, let's proceed and I'll show you the other parts of the ground floor. We also have one toilet and a maid's room. Let's begin with the first toilet or the guest toilet or the common toilet for everyone. So this is your shower enclosure for your toilet and then you also have your sink, you have your quartz counter sink, sorry, ito toilet pala to. And then your mirror. And then kung mapansin niyo yung tiles na ginamit, it's gray. So yun yung theme ng bahay. And then dito rin sa toilet, meron din tayong WPC. So it's very nicely done. And solid wood doors yung mga pinto natin. Now, ito naman po is your multi-purpose room. So I don't wanna call it a maid's room kasi some people, hindi naman sila nagbe-maids. Pero pwede siyang storage, pwede siyang pantry if you like to store a lot of food, pwede siyang pantry, or it can be a maid's room. So, it has its own big window, and then dito, kung sa mga rooms, you have your fluted panels, dito WPC po yung ginamit niya. Pero dito, kasya na siguro yung double deck or single bed if it's just for one person. So, and then, ito naman, katabi ng maid's room natin is the access door going to the service area, which is pinakita natin yan sa simula ng video. So, tapos na tayo sa ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor of the house. By the way, nakalimutan ko sabihin sa simula. This house is a two-story house with a roof deck. So mamaya papakita ko kayo sa pinaka-top floor. But let's begin with the first bedroom of the second floor, which is very spacious still. Kasya po ang ating double, semi-double, or even a queen-size bed because you already have your full-size cabinet. Again, you have your blank tiles. That's similar to wood planks. And then you have your air conditioning already installed. You have your big windows. You have your own toilet and bath dito sa room na to. Ngayon, I'm gonna be showing you yung second living room or second yung entertainment area ng bahay na to, which I really like. Because siguro if you would like to have a party and then ayaw mo istorbo yung kapitbahay, you can actually enclose this sliding glass door. And then you have this big space wherein you can have your video, karaoke, or if you'd like, watch your Netflix, Prime Video, or maybe Disney movies. Meron na siyang air conditioning, fluted panels na siya. You have your LED lights, you have your cove lights, you have your hanging cabinets. And what's nice about that, you can entertain here. If you like to drink or you like to cook in front of your friends, or gusto nyo mag-samyup, or depende kung anong type nyo, you already have your bar here, bar counter. You have your own sink, you have a designated area for your range hood and cooktop, and then meron na tayong mga glass cabinets dyan, or meron tayong cabinets with glass openings na makikita nyo yung mga spirit, yung mga inumin nyo dyan. So, this is very nice, especially if you like to entertain guests or like to invite people over the house. Or, again, if you would like to convert this to an Airbnb property, pwede rin naman. Kasi there's a lot of people na nagpapa-Airbnb dito. Typically, 2 days, 3 days na it's na stay. So, dito rin, as you move a little bit further dito sa second floor, you have your storage area here in the second floor. It's just a white small space. Kasya pong ating cleaning materials, pwedeng linens. And right beside it is your common area, which is totally similar with the ground floor. So you have your glass enclosure shower area, you have your sink, you have your toilet with a quartz countertop, and then you have your WPC ceiling and your exhaust. Now let's proceed with the third bedroom dito. So for the bedroom here, it doesn't have its own toilet and bath, but you have a big size cabinet dito sa side na to. You have an access going to the living area, to the balcony, which is very nice. You have your beautiful center light. You have your LED lightings, air conditioning. You have your plank tiles, and you have your hanging cabinet. So, this is very nice, very spacious. And ang maganda dito, meron din tayong malaking dalawang cabinets that can easily fit for 2 people. So, sobrang luwag-luwag po niyan. Now, let's go to the master's bedroom. Now, this is the master's bedroom. Very spacious. I really like this one because kasyang-kasya po ang ating king-size bed. Now, it's similar with the other bedrooms, but you have a bigger center light here. You have more LED lights, cove lighting. You have your fluted panels on the ceiling, hanging cabinets also, and then you have your plank tiles. Kasyang-kasya po ang ating king-size bed. You can even put a small office desk or siguro a day bed. Some depends on where you want to put it, pero okay na okay siya. And ang ganda po dyan, you also have your walk-in closet. Now, maybe for some people, ito kulang to, pero siguro sa iba, if it's just having a vacation or rest house, this is just a good size. So you have a lot of storage space, especially if it's just a rest house or vacation home. Pwede na po siya. You also have your dresser here with your mirror. You can just put your chairs and siguro add some lighting. And then right beside it would be your toilet and bath. So this is very similar to all the toilet and bath in the house. WPC ceiling, your exhaust, shower enclosure, and shower area. And then you also have your toilet and meron tayong sink with your quartz countertop. Now, another feature of the master's bedroom would be yung balcony natin. Yung balcony natin sobrang luwag. And you know what I like about Pueblo 1 or Pueblo del Sol 1? Sobrang tahimik dito. Actually, sobrang breezy. You can just feel like you're in Tagaytay already. Sobrang ibang dampin ng hangin sa amin dito. We really appreciate it. And you have this space here connected to your master, and you also a bedroom na pwede niyo pong lagyan ng tables and chairs. You can put a big couch. You can just lie down and relax. Because syempre, what's having a vacation house or a house in Tagaytay if you're not enjoying the breeze of the air? So, it's really nice na we showed you the sleeping area. Ngayon, we're done here. sa first and second floor. Now we're gonna show you the roof deck. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Welcome to the third floor or the roof deck. This is a very huge space wherein you can entertain your guests. Actually, the owners or the builders left it back so that you can decide which one you would like to put here. Maybe you can put a home gym, or you can put a barbecue place like the one here on the right side, or maybe you can put a jacuzzi wherein you can invite your friends, or you can place this on Airbnb para pwedeng gamitin ito ng mga guests nyo or your friends. So, sobrang luwag po niya. I think this is more than 100 square meters yung space. Kasyang-kasya po, ang dami nyo pwedeng gawin dito. You can make actually a playground, ang dami nyo pwedeng gawin. So, let's explore this area. This is actually your, or you can actually, meron na siyang parang trellis na naka-design dito. Kayo na lang po ang maglalagay ng lighting and also ng ating polycarbonate na roofing, or it depends on what type of roof you like. You have your sitting area here. You can actually put plants here at the back of the seating area. You can put a table here so that you can eat here in the roof deck. Just imagine during the cold days in Tagaytay, sobrang sarap dito. You can just feel the breeze. Yun nga eh. This is actually sobrang ganda nito. Naisip nito yung retiree or yung vacationist na nagre-relax, ini-enjoy yung breeze ng Tagaytay. We also have this kitchen area here in the third floor or the roof deck, na meron din siyang open cabinets, and you have a cabinet here with your glass enclosure para makita niyo yung loob niya. You can put some of yung ibang alak niyo. Naka-WPC rin yung ceiling niya. And then you also have your, I think this is a quartz countertop na itim. You have a small sink here. You have a lot of storage. And tiles po siya, or naka wood, hindi siya wood planks eh. Parang it's plastic na parang wood planks yung design niya. Actually, kindly comment down below what this is. But yeah, we're done with the tour. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandyan din po yan sa ating description box in YouTube and sa comment section ng ating mga post in our other social media accounts. Now, if you're still looking around for a property, you would like to update it with our latest listings or mga listings na ipopost pa lang namin, or yung mga bagong tanggap namin ng mga properties, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box, or nandyan din yan sa ating comment sections. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!